So the very first question you may ask is, why did we create this company? You may call me naive, but we want to make internet a better place, more safer and more trustable. Because since '93, you don't have any clue of whom you'll be talking to when you're online. How do you know that's really me? How do you know that's my blog, that this is my comment, this is my Facebook or eBay profile or any kind of presence I have online? How can you really trust me, actually? Because there's no way you know that I'm not a fake person, that I'm not even worse, a liar, a crook, or something like that. In real life, we have paper ID that we can use to prove our ID if it's necessary, but you need to meet the person to check that it matches its credential. And unfortunately, you can't use them online. So at MyID Certify, we want to make right or wrong by providing our user a really easy way to certify their digital identity with the same level of trust as if we actually meet in real life. Due to the time length of the certification process, we won't be able to make a live demo, but as we don't have the internet, that's a good thing, and I'm going to show you how it works. So first, you need to fill in your real name, and this must have been your real name because you won't be able to change it after all. Then, as you can see, we suggest your screen name, which is going to be part of your profile ID URL, which is going to be MyID.is/your name. Then you fill in the credential that is being asked, a strong password, and the email, and of course the CAPTCHA. Then you go to the first step of the certification. Paying is part of the certification process because you won't be able to open a bank account without having your ID checked by the bank. So when you register with us, you need to provide the credit card under the name that you are actually certifying, which we will going to charge you a random amount, about €2.50. So then you have to go on your bank statement. You will receive a confirmation email saying that go to your bank statement, search for the exact amount we've charged you, and then come back on the website and fill in it. Doing that allows us to verify that you really are the owner of the credit card you provided to us. Then you go to the next step, which is the address certification process. So you need to fill in with your real address, and you will receive a paper mail that will take about 4 days to arrive. So that's another reason why we can do a live demo of the service. And on this paper mail, you will get a 6-digit code that will validate your address. So you go back on the website to fill it in, and then you got your ID certified. As you can see on the upper left corner, the certification, the status of the certification is still in progress. And once you go through the 2 steps of the certification, you'll switch to your ID has been certified. Then you're going to be able to add another ID because some users won't be public online and they got a nickname and they made all their reputation under that nickname. So you can add another ID with its own URL, and it's completely different from your main ID. There's no link between them. And you can put your main ID onto private, so nobody will know about it. Then you'll be starting to claim your content online. And you can apply some privacy settings to every content you'll be publishing on your profiles. For example, this is my professional profile. As you can see, there's definitely not the same content as my private profile. Then, once you're starting to claim your online presence, you simply add a little piece of code that will display an ID badge on every page you have online, every kind of profile you have online, and which link backs to your MyID's public profile. This is one way to know that this is my place, and this is my Twitter account, this is my eBay account, and so on and so on. So the market opportunity at MyID is really simple. We want to make internet a better place. We want to add trust among online users. You will be able to claim your online presence everywhere. By the same way, you'll be able to manage your e-reputation. We are providing a certified OpenID with this platform. which provide a highly trustable authentication system. And the good thing for our partners that when they support our technology, they will be able to qualify the database, so add value to their website, and they will be able to add extra features to their community and add trust among the communities. Our business model is really simple. Actually, it's basic. We're making money right away from our first users. We're going to charge them a single fee, €5, and that's going to grant them a lifetime access to our platform. And if they want to get access to extra features, they have to pay for a monthly fee, which is going to be a very tiny thing. For example, if you want to get your email certified or document certified, that's an extra feature with us. Tomorrow we'll be providing mobile ID that will allow our user to buy online through their mobile phone. And we're going to charge very, very tiny fee, about 0.01% on every transaction. About the team, I'm a serial entrepreneur since '94. I've founded several successful companies, mostly on the web. Ivan is also a serial entrepreneur since '96. He has been a chief technology officer in interactive agencies for more than a decade. And Kuf Capital is our lovely business angel that have so far funded Cashtor, Wikis, and us. Concerning our team, we have 3 developers. They're working on .NET and 2IS for the front office of the certification platform, and for the back office, and for the front office, we're using Ajax and PHP. Thank you so much for your attention.
So once again,